play triad inversions with my right hand, I'll start on C, E, G with fingers 1, 3, and 5. To invert a chord, you simply take the bottom note and put it on the top. The other two notes stay in position. So now we have E, G, C. We call this first inversion. Notice that I have my second finger on the G. This is the fingering for first inversion, is second finger in the middle. To invert the chord again, now I'll leave the G in place and the C in place, and now I move the E to the top. So now we have G, C, E. This is second inversion. Notice again that the third finger is in the middle. 1, 3, 5. If we flip one more time, we're back to root position. So first we have root position with 1, 3, and 5. Then first inversion, 1, 2, 5. Second inversion, 1, 3, 5. Root position, 1, 3, 5. For the left hand, the fingering is a little bit different just because of the way the intervals work out. So in here, of course, we have the fifth finger on the bottom. 5, 3, 1. So here's root position for the left hand. 5, 3, 1. Then I'll take the C, put it on top. So now we have E, G, C. It's easy to reach from thumb to third finger, so we keep 5, 3, 1 fingering for first inversion. If I flip it again, G, C, E. It's getting pretty high, so I'm just going to switch it down one octave lower. G, C, E. Now here is where it's a bit of a reach. So now this fingering is 5, 2, 1. Finally, we flip it back to root position. 5, 3, 1. Root position. First inversion. Second inversion has the 2 in the middle. Root position. 5, 3, 1.